Good afternoon. Well, let me just first start off by making a brief introduction as to who I am. My name is Terry Reed, and I am a qualified financial director, senior executive qualified financial director for Making Wealth Real Financial. And I have the best information in the best position ever because I uh, expose others to the power of income shifting, um, educating them on how to grow, make, as well as save their money simply using strategies. Our great services, um, the maxes we have with Financial Edge membership comes with the Money Max portal, which is your tax reduction strategies, Credit Max, which is your credit restoration strategies, Equity Max, which is your debt elimination strategies, which also comes with another helpful tool called Bill Shredder that cuts your everyday bills in half. Um, and then Wealth Max, which is your wealth investment strategies. And that is the only pillar that requires you to have a consultation with your experts. Um, and what they do is they go in and they assess your current financial situation to see where you are financially, to be able to get you set up with your private reserve account as well as your land banking experience. And I have to tell you that these services are phenomenal. Let me just tell you a little bit about my experience with using the Making Wealth Real Financial Edge membership. I started with Making Wealth Real at the end of April of 2019. By May 18th of 2020, I began receiving letters. Now, just to tell you, backtrack just a little bit, in 2004, sorry, my car with my two boys, me being 6 months pregnant, was swept off of the streets in Richmond, Virginia, due to Hurricane Gaston and floodwaters. So my purse with all of my personal information went downstream. I got hit in the middle of my back by one of the boards that lifted up from the railroad tracks and busted my elbow down to the bone. However, as a result of that incident and being out there for 13 hours and some change before being rescued, my purse with all of my personal information and belonging went downstream. Someone then found my information and utilized my information to obtain student loans along with other things. And I reached out to the Department of Education as well as ECMC to get those removed. I was being advised that I needed to um, take someone to court. Well, of course, with me not knowing who utilized my information, not just one student loan, but seven, was tacked up under my social. And enlisting help with Lexington Law, paying hundreds and hundreds of dollars, only to have the same result that I needed to take someone to court. Well, fast forwarding, started with Making Wealth Real Financial in 2020 and begin to receive results after me simply utilizing the services of the Financial Edge membership and uploading my three credit reports up to Credit Max. I began to see letters on the 18th of May. Now, keep in mind, I started with the services at the end of April. By the second week of May, May 18th to be exact, I received letters from ECMC letting me know, from the Department of Education, letting me know that those student loans, not one, but all seven, were deleted and removed along with an apology letter. So it doesn't get any better than that. So as a result, a direct result of those student loans being removed from up under my social, my credit score went up 192 points and still climbing. My debt free date is now officially August of 2021. And I'm looking forward to that and to speeding that up, thanks to the uh, opportunity that I have with Extra Digit Movement and Making Wealth Real Financial. So, when I tell you that this would be a great opportunity for you to become a part of, if you want more information, just simply text me 440 259 7652 and keyword details or edge, and I'd be happy to connect you with the information that you would need to get started with your complete financial makeover. This is the best thing since sliced bread, and trust me when I tell you that you won't be disappointed. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. So if you are a W-2 employee, the way that it is that right now, as a W-2 employee, you're taxed anywhere. You're taxed in the highest, in the highest tax bracket. Sorry, but if you was to incorporate a home-based business, then you would be able to maximize your deductions just by being a home-based business owner. So, with that being said, as a W-2 employee, we work, we're taxed, and then we spend what's left over. Well, what we don't seem to know right offhand, if we're not taught and given the financial literacy, is that before you even see your paycheck, a third of your pay is taken in taxes. So this can be handled and rectified simply by having a home-based business. This is also being noted on CNN and so many other news channels that they're encouraging people. When the government wants you to do something, they give you an incentive, and that's how you know that you are meant to become an entrepreneur or a home-based business owner. And just basically to be able to outpace inflation, you need residual income. And if you don't know, just by having a home-based business, that's the number one asset that you can own. And it's safe, you guys. We're in the middle of a pandemic. This is the best way to be able to secure yourself multiple streams of income right from the privacy of your home, where you're safe, your family is safe, and you're not putting anyone in jeopardy. So, once again, if you want more information about the Financial Edge membership or the business opportunity, give me a text. Just text me 440-259-7652, and I'll be happy to put you through to some experts that will start making wealth real for you. And once again, my name is Terry Reed, and it's been a pleasure, and I do want to thank you for viewing my live. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.